Imagine you're 22, one decision away from throwing away your marriage, your money, your future, and one ancient chapter literally stops you cold. That chapter is Proverbs chapter 2. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Solomon said pursuing wisdom is more urgent than chasing money or sex. Let's dive in. Proverbs 2 is written like a desperate dad pulling his son aside the night before he leaves home. It has 4 movements. Hunt wisdom like it's buried treasure. God himself will give it to you. It becomes your personal bodyguard. It saves you from the 2 deadliest traps on earth. Stick with me. This is going to feel like a movie. Movement 1, the hunt, verses 1 through 4. Son, if you will receive my words, treasure my commands, turn your ear, apply your heart, cry out for insight, search for it like silver, hunt it like hidden treasure, then... Let me translate that for 2025. Treat wisdom like you treat your For You page at 2 a.m. Treat wisdom like you treat a new crypto coin that could 100x. Treat wisdom like you treated trying to talk to your crush in middle school. That level of obsession, because the payoff is literally God himself. Verse 5. I did this for 40 days straight in 2021. Read 1 chapter of Proverbs every day and journaled. Best decision I ever made. I'll tell you what happened at the end. Movement 2. God gives it. For the Lord gives wisdom. He stores up success for the upright. He is a shield to those who walk blamelessly. He guards the way of his faithful ones. This is wild. You don't manufacture wisdom. You chase it, and God hands it to you. It's grace and effort at the same time. Movement 3. Wisdom becomes your bodyguard, verses 9 through 11. Walking through a dark alley, shield graphic blocks knives. Scammy text message on phone, red X. Late night DM from someone who's not your spouse, wisdom literally steps in front like a bouncer. Verse 11, discretion will protect you. Understanding will guard you. Not might, will. That's a promise with teeth. Movement 4, the 2 traps wisdom saves you from. Trap number 1, wicked men, 12 through 15. Guys who talk smooth, but their path is crooked. The friends who say, bro, just one time won't hurt. The business partner cooking the books just a little. Wisdom yanks you off that road. Trap number 2, the adulterous woman. Solomon doesn't mince words. This woman abandons the husband of her youth, forgets her covenant with God, flatters with her words. Her house slopes down to death. None who go to her return. I've watched this happen in real time. Married men in my DMs who thought they could just talk. 6 months later, divorce papers, broken kids, shame. Proverbs 2 is brutal because it loves you. The ending promise, but walk in the way of the good and you will live in the land. The wicked, cut off. The upright, they remain. God is not playing. So here's your 7-day challenge that can literally change your life. Every morning for the next 7 days, 1. Read Proverbs 2 out loud. 2. Write down one area you need protection right now. Lust, greed, anger, whatever. 3. Pray verse 6 out loud. Lord, you give wisdom. Give it to me today. I've seen hundreds of people do this and everything changes. If this video helped you, do 2 things. 1, hit like. It pushes this to more people who need the warning. And 2, comment the one verse from Proverbs 2 that hit you hardest. I read every single comment. Let's get this chapter in front of as many 18 to 30-year-olds as possible before they make the mistake we can't undo. See you tomorrow for Proverbs 3.